Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where traders of all experience levels, both beginners and experienced traders, come to share market insights, market updates, and also market forecasts. They also share market ideas and also, what they are likely to see or market strategy. So if you want to be part of this community, you can visit investsocial.com. It is not only for traders, it is also for analysts and developers. Starting with this trend, what we are to expect on Monday. This is GBPUSD, and this is our trade on GBPUSD. We are in an uptrend move. So first thing, before we take a trade, we need to know the trend, then we have to trade with the trend. When you take a look at GBPUSD, it is very clear that GBPUSD is in an uptrend move right here. We are in an uptrend move. So, and this is the second rule of trading, which is you need to trade with the trend. So once you know your trend, you have to trade with the trend. So since we have established the fact that we are in an uptrend, we need to also we need to trend up also with it. So let's drop down to the forward time frame. So this is our I forward time frame I, and this is forward time frame pullback, which is higher low. This is the higher high, and this here is the higher low. This market was able to give us an equal high right here. This is an equal high that market did give us, and a pullback is currently playing out. Once this pullback plays out finish, we are likely to have another high. So guys, for the day on Monday, we are to expect market to hit a level of 1.35168. So we should be targeting a level of 1.35168, possibly break above it. So once the market pulls back finish, we have to see market to smash it and break above a level of 1.35171. So that is what we'll be expecting for the day. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction? The answer is yes. Remember guys, your forecast will not always move the way markets move. There are times markets will change. This is one of the reasons why your buyers should always be flexible. So if in case markets change, then it will be easier for us also to change our approach and also our prediction. But if in case market is going to change, I'll make sure I do the update. So if you find today's video very helpful, you can visit investsocial.com to also share your own idea and what you think will likely happen again.